When a building goes up, construction managers handle the big questions. Who's doing what? How long it will take? How much will it cost? And what happens if there's an accident or work delay? They plan and supervise all types of construction projects, buildings, roads, bridges, and more, from beginning to end. Construction managers work closely with architects, civil engineers, and a variety of trades workers. They frequently call in city inspectors to ensure that all regulations are met and may consult with lawyers and local officials for large projects. They use cost estimating and planning software to develop budgets and schedules, which they must maintain while also fulfilling design specifications. Construction managers work in both commercial and residential construction. Many are self-employed, while others work for specialty trade contractors. They typically have an office, but spend most of their time on site to monitor construction activities and make on-the-spot decisions. Long hours are common, as is being on call around the clock. While almost all positions require extensive construction experience, formal education needed ranges from a bachelor's degree for the biggest projects to an associate's degree or high school diploma for smaller projects. Some managers earn general contractor credentials and work for themselves. A new construction manager typically trains as an assistant under an experienced manager.